You just landed yourself a studio portrait photo shoot, but you don't know how to pose your subjects, and here are 5 easy ways that works all the time. Hey, a big shout out to Ceremonic, the brand that sponsors this video. If you're looking for quality microphone, look no further. Check out their website here. Step number 1, always start by sitting down. Get a bar stool and sit and just look that side. So instead of having your tummy and your knee pointed to the camera, point it away and try to arch your back a little bit and fold your shoulder to the back. And immediately, step 2 makes your subject more photogenic. Step 3, what do you do with her hands? Simple. Take this hand, put under here, and that's what you do with your hand. Step 3. And there are many more variety you can do. Put your hand down, right hand behind your ear, turn your face to the camera, put the left hand above your right hand. Step 4, make a little bit of adjustment. Sit all the way to the back. Good. Lean forward, right? Turn your shoulder, right? With the chin sticking towards the camera. This will make you more photogenic. And then step 5, try different cropping. Loose, medium, tighter. So for those of you who are interested to know what the settings were, manual exposure mode and f5.6, ISO 400, shutter speed 100 on auto white balance, and I'm using a flash bounce to the back, that's the wall, and the flash power is 1/8. So if I don't want to use TTL, I can use 1/8 because TTL sometimes will use a lot of batteries and it will eat up the power. That's because it fires flash twice. So there you have it, 5 easy ways to start your photo shoot in the studio. Watch the next episode where we teach you how to have your subject standing up and still get amazing photogenic poses. Don't forget, subscribe. See you. Hey, you. Do I have to kill her? You know, every time I wave, you wave. We have like hundreds and millions of subscribers. Are you subscribed to our channel? You're lying. You're not subscribed to the channel. Show me your phone.